So I will tell you genuine review vidstream Pro Starter so you can see launch only granddaddy offer. The only HD/4K/360 video hosting app with personalized landing pages and piracy protection. Host your own video channels, sell courses plus much more. Publishing videos is costly, complicated and kills time. You need a dozen apps to get the job done. Video recording apps. To record your video. Transcribing apps. To record to get a full video transcript for extra content and SEO benefits. Video. Subtitling apps. To add subtitles to your video for extra engagement. Transcoding apps. To resize your video for different social platforms. Video hosting apps. To host and serve your videos without buffering. Page building apps. To build your landing pages, content and offers. Private channel apps. To showcase your videos and content without third-party ads or branding. Course membership apps. To sell your video content to others. Creating and publishing videos today is a minefield. You need a dozen apps just to get the job done, and you have to pray all these apps work together well. You have to wait for your videos to upload and download between apps. All this effort kills time and wastes $1,000s of your hard-earned cash. So overall product is the good, and I recommend this product, so if you purchase from my link in the description I will provide this bonus. In order to get that bonus you can contact me on MUI Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send your bonus. And ReTube sites compress your videos, plaster their branding and inject ads, ruining your video quality, user experience and return on ad spend. If you use cheap hosts you risk exposed to piracy. Videos are easily copied/downloaded and shared. And best thing is product money back guarantee, so you can see in the highly unlikely event you do not find the product as described, we ask that you contact our support and allow us to fix any issues within 30 days. Where we can't fix your issues we will honor a 30-day money back guarantee. Please note we cannot offer a voluntary money back guarantee on this bundle, as doing so would result in merchant charges of over $50. This does not invalidate your statutory rights. So overall product is the good, and I recommend this product, so if you purchase from my link in the description I will provide this bonus. In order to get that bonus you can contact me on MUI Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send your bonus.